Introduction. Arun is buying shirts for himself. A discount sale is on at the shop. The shop is offering 2 free shirts with every 3 shirts purchased. Arun selects 3 shirts. The shop gives him 2 more. Now he has 5 shirts in all. Arun is very happy. In this lesson, you will learn addition. Picture addition. Let us learn to add with the help of pictures first. Sheena has 5 dolls. Her uncle gets her 2 more. How many dolls does Sheena have in all? Count all the dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sheena has 7 dolls. There are 5 mangoes in the refrigerator. Shipra puts in 3 more. How many mangoes are there in the refrigerator? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 mangoes in the refrigerator. Addition through forward counting. Let us use the pictures to count in a different way. Sonia's mother buys her 5 chocolates. Her father buys her 2 more. How many chocolates does she have? Sonia has 5 chocolates already. So, let us count ahead of 5. 6, 7. Therefore, Sonia has 7 chocolates. Ravi has 3 puppies. His cousin gifts him 3 more. How many puppies does Ravi have in all? Let us count ahead of 3 because Ravi has 3 puppies already. 4, 5, 6. Therefore, Ravi has 6 puppies. Addition in a horizontal line. Let us now use dots to add numbers horizontally. Look at the screen. There are 2 dots on the left and 4 dots on the right. What is 2 plus 4? Count the total number of dots on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 2 plus 4 is 6. What is 3 plus 5? Count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Addition in a vertical line. Let us now add numbers vertically. To do that, let us write the numbers one below the other. To add 2 and 3 vertically, write the 2 numbers one below the other. Draw 2 vertical lines next to 2 and 3 vertical lines next to 3. Count the vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, 2 plus 3 is 5. What is 3 plus 1? Write the 2 numbers one below the other. Draw 3 vertical lines next to 3. Draw 1 vertical line next to 1. Count the vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Addition story. Garvesh goes to a mall with 2 friends to watch a movie. He is joined by another friend. How many tickets should Garvesh buy? There are 4 people. Garvesh is 1. His friends 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, Garvesh should buy 4 tickets. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. Addition is possible with pictures. Numbers can be added vertically. Numbers can be added horizontally.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe KWT Education.